is not really recognised by people that work outside of search, is how you can rank for sustainable clothing without having any page that has a H1 for sustainable clothing. The reason I know this, PeopleTree, whoever's there, well done, you're working good, whatever your market employers. But ultimately, there's the website. Across that whole website is references to sustainability and is references to clothing. They rank for that well because they are the right brand to rank for that well, and they've not had to do keyword research and go, sustainable clothing has 37k's worth of volume. Like, they know that they sell sustainable clothing, and if they talk about it, almost like, not regardless of the targeting, because you really do need to, once you've actually done that, then join all the dots together. That's where you have to look at your site structure, that's where you have to look at your page speed, and that's where the technical health side of thing comes in. And then that's also where kind of content from a search agency comes in to go, right, okay, these are the opportunities, these are the gaps, these are the things that you've not focused upon. But holistically, if you talk to your audience and if you talk about the right things, you will improve, and you will see where you need to go to. And I suppose my point, rather delayed, is if you focus too much on keywords, you'll gradually get further and further away from your audience, because you'll see a big shiny one that you think, oh, that we should be talking about that. No, you probably shouldn't. And that's my rant. Firm believer in this.